Hello. The verse for tonight pala. Proverbs 22 verse 1. Nang sabi dito, a good name is rather to be chosen than the great riches and loving favor rather than silver and gold. No? Na nandoon na yung bang mas mainam na pipiliin mo yung a good name rather than riches. And sa pagmamahal ng favoritism, sa pagmamahal ng favor, mas mainam yung alam mo, mas rather than silver and gold, no? Yung kasi yung favoritism is